Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Zoho Project for managing your e-commerce business. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get right to it. First things first, you need to set up your project in Zoho. This involves naming your project, assigning it to your e-commerce business, and setting a timeline. Now, why is this important? A well-structured project helps you stay organized and on track, making it easier to manage the different aspects of your e-commerce business. Now that we've done that, the next step is to add your team members to the project. You can do this in the People section. Here, you add each member's name, role, and their specific tasks. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone knows their responsibilities and avoids any confusion down the line. Once everyone's on board, it's time to start creating tasks. Head over to the Task section and add all the tasks related to your project. This could include inventory management, order processing, customer service, and so on. This helps us because it breaks down the project into manageable pieces, making it easier to keep track of progress and identify any bottlenecks. Let me explain why this matters. By having a clear list of tasks, you can assign them to your team, set deadlines, and even prioritize them. This way, nothing falls through the cracks, and you ensure that your e-commerce operations are running smoothly. Next up, we're going to monitor the progress of these tasks. Zoho Project has a task reports feature that allows you to see the status of each task, who is working on it, and if there are any delays. This is key for tracking progress and making sure everything is going as planned. Finally, use the dashboard feature to get an overview of your project. You can see the progress of tasks, the workload of each team member, and even any upcoming deadlines. It gives you a bird's-eye view of your project, helping you make informed decisions about resource allocation and time management. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you use Zoho Project this way. You're basically turning your e-commerce management into a well-oiled machine. Each task is defined, assigned, monitored, and completed systematically, ensuring your e-commerce business runs smoothly and efficiently. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Zoho Project for e-commerce management. Remember, it's all about staying organized, delegating effectively, and monitoring progress. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time.